How are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to share with you what's in my bag Goa edition. Okay, now it's quite weird that I'm filming this video in my house. Okay, so long story short, when you're going in like a family trip, you can't film actually. And the biggest thing is that the hotel in which I was living, so it was not like a hotel, it was like a guest. It was like a house which was made into hotels. It was very small and very compact. So filming video was very difficult, like different. Even if you get aside, you get a lot of sound of people, and that is what happened. I was actually sitting to film there, like what's in my bag in that particular place itself. Because if you film what's in my bag in Goa only, it would be really fun, right? But the sound, the noise, and so much of distraction was not making me film the video, and that's the reason I'm filming it today. I'm back from Goa, and you can see I'm so tanned, and I'm really liking it. Anyways, but it was a really good, amazing trip, and I have vlogged everything. I've also edited the whole video. That video will be soon after this video, particularly. But yeah, that is the thing. What I want to clear it out before. So I'll just share with you what all I took for the Goa trip in my personal bag. So yeah, so this is the bag which I took. This is like a very backpack sort of thing, because I don't like that sling bag and a very girly. I don't like all that bags which really irritate a lot. So this is like the bag which I took, not like a random brand. So after coming from Goa, I just kept this bag aside so that I can film a video. It's almost more than 7 to 8 days now that I'm back from Goa, and I'm filming this so late because there was some guest and I was like, yeah. Okay, so I'll just share with you what all I have. So I've just dumped everything in and just go randomly. So first thing was headphones. I took my headphones because music very must. Then I have, okay, I'll just go randomly. I have sanitizer, which is by Lifebuoy. Then I also had my comb, which was this sort of brush which has hair and on all over it, because everyone were using my stuff. Yes. Okay, now the sunglasses part. I did black sunglasses, which is like in like the circle one which I particularly used, and then the one which is like that. Yeah, whatever. So I took this, like there were 2 black sunglasses. Then I took like a solid like the transparent one, which is something I used to use so much in my photo shoots. Which is this one, like the solid transparent one. And like I took something which is brown, which is something which, so I took something which goes with most of the outfits and all. We just went for 3-day trip, but I took 4 of the sunglasses. So just imagine how much I love sunglasses. Okay, and this is like the cover which is shuffled and just gone. Then I have like so much of tickets, because my bag was something which was outside all the time, and everyone was just dumping all the things which is very important also in my bag, so that they can get it fatafat. So this is like all the tickets which is there with me. Then my purse, which didn't have any money, to be honest, because I was just using my daddy ka money. Okay, I just have a safety pin. I don't know why. There are some compartments, so I'm just like, well, yeah, okay. This is the best part. I took a Innisfree Aloe Revitalize Skin Mist. It's almost over. So this is very calming, very soothing, very this feels so good. So I was see, did you see that? It just went wow, like a refreshment and just pick me up sort of thing. I used to spray this, and more than me, other people used to use this. So yeah, that is the thing. It's little bit left, which I'll use it in my house itself. Then also I have some chiller, because just dumping money directly inside. When you're traveling, you know that thing. You don't particularly keep your money again properly in your purse and all. You just dump it inside, specifically if it's coin or something like that. So yeah, so that is what was there in my first compartment. Also I have the other 2 pouches which I will open later, which is of skincare and all that excitement thing. I'll just open the back side. So I have some cash over there, which is something just like 10, 20 rupees, 100 rupees. Yeah. Okay, so I have this sleeping mask which says I am sleepy. I need this. I can't live without this. I'm very addicted to this. In more many ways. Okay, so I had to get this because when you wear this you just get sleep and you just don't see what's happening around you, and you know, that sort of thing. So I need this with me all the time, and the fact is that I can just fold it and throw it anywhere, so I had this. Okay, so yeah, I also had some socks, which is like the stockings, or not stockings, like the socks, which is very small. You will see this in the vlog. I wore this and I made like a small clip out of it. So this is something which I really need in the train, because we went by train, and at the night it gets cozy because of AC and stuff. So I had to get this because the feet gets really cold. Okay, then I have one boppin which I used for one hair look, and then I just dumped it in my bag, which is like this look, and then you have to bun it and then keep it up. So I used that, and then I have some more chillers. There are a lot of money coming out of my bag actually. Okay, so that is the things what I had in my bag. Apart from that, I also had some 2 pouches, which is like of skincare and makeup and all that stuff. So which is something I kept aside in the start only. So we'll just go from with the skincare. So the skincare bag is big, obviously. I'll just go through all what I had. So the first thing is like the Giordani Gold Original. This is like the roll-on for the deodorant sort of thing. Then I also had a face wash, which is by Green Tea, the Innisfree one. I got this, so I got this because obviously you can't take so big things with you for 3-day trip, right? Then I just also took rose water because I love facial mist. I use this all the time. So this is by Oriflame, the Wild Rose one thing I took. Then I took so much. I took all the small things. Okay, then I took the Innisfree Aloe Revitalizing Soothing Gel, which is something I got free, and the Aloe Sleeping Pack. So I got these 3 things free, which is the spray, the gel, and the sleeping mask. So I only used these 3 things because it was so hot, and this is aloe vera, so it would just calm my skin down and just give me a really good hydration and all that stuff. And the last thing is like a night cream and an eye cream, which I took, which is again by Innisfree, which I got free. I shared this in my Nykaa haul. You would go and check it out. I think this offer is still there. If you purchase 1,500 something out of Innisfree, you get this whole kit free, which is like the night regime thing, which is something I just used this one night, because other 2 nights we used to just party and go so long. Like, you would see, please see my vlog, you would come to know everything what I did. Okay, then I have this pouch, which is just a random pouch which says Victoria's Secret, which is not a Victoria. So I have all my makeup in this. Makeup is something which I just took it for purpose. If I would use, I just didn't use makeup. How good is the first thing is like the Avon Skin Goodness CC cream with SPF 50. I took this for the sake that it has SPF 50, so I don't have to use a sunscreen alag se and SPF alag se. So I took this. Then I took a lipstick by VOV, which is all lip gloss and a lipstick mixed together. This is like a brown sort of a shade, which would go in all sort of outfit. Then I also took the Asta Berry Glamour Plus Insta Glow Powder Cream, so it's like a BB sort of cream. Then like a simple pretty compact. Then I have the Avon Lip Balm, Maybelline Mascara, the Island Kiss Lip Balm, and one more lipstick, which is my favorite, the Oriflame one, which is the shade which I'm so loving. This is like the shade Black Cherry. It's like a very dark sort of maroon or black cherry sort of shade. And yeah, of course, my favorite eyelash color. So all these things were there in my makeup pouch, and out of it I just used 2 to 3 things. Other everything my aunt used to use. And yeah, this is something all what I had in my bag for Goa edition. So you can carry more things, like it depends upon the days how much you stay. I think I've used most out of it. And yeah, this is what I had in my bag. I hope that you like this video, guys. Please wait and watch my Goa vlog, which will be up after some days. Please make sure that you watch it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.